What's up, babes? Welcome back to another Slay by Mika video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mika and we are about to get into this look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm not sure which primer this is, but I will list it in the description box below. And I'm just going to start rubbing that primer into my face. You want to make sure you use the primer appropriate to your skin type. So I'm using the mattifying primer because I have oily skin. Now I'm going to go ahead and use Lily Ann's Naturals eye cream, which I found to be extremely beneficial to my eyes because of the creasing. It really controls the creasing, so I apply that to my eyelid as well as underneath my eyes and rub that in really good. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. I believe this is in the shade Tan Sand, and I'm going to start applying this to my T-zone area. Going in with my Maybelline's foundation. This is a Fit Me foundation. I'm not sure the shade, but I will list it in the description box. I'm gonna start applying that foundation to my face everywhere I did not apply the concealer. Taking my foundation brush by Upscale Faces, I'm gonna start patting that foundation into my face. You want to make sure when you are using foundation to make sure you pat and not swipe. When you pat the foundation into your face, you are pressing it into your pores, which gives you a more flawless finish. Taking my Real Technique brush, I'm going to start patting that concealer into my face. I went in with some e.l.f. Camo concealer and I applied that under my eyes after doing that because I felt like it wasn't as bright as I wanted it to be, and I like a bright under eye. So I went in and applied that to my face, and then I'm gonna go in with my contour palette and start to contour my face. I left that concealer under my eyes so it could start getting tacky. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer brush or my Real Technique brush and start patting out that concealer. When you leave your concealer under your eye for a while, at least for 30 seconds, and allow that concealer to start setting into your skin, it gives you more of a full coverage look. Alright, so now I'm going to set my under eye with my Makeup Revolution translucent setting powder. So doing this step quickly will prevent you from creasing underneath your eyes as well. So when you're done blending out your concealer, just make sure you set it with a setting powder. It could be a translucent setting powder, but make sure that that setting powder complements your skin tone. Going in now with my bronzer palette by Planet Makeup by Yolanda. I'm just going to start warming my face back up with this. So I'm going to use this in the areas that I contour my face. To blend everything out, I'm going to go back with my foundation brush and I'm going to go over the places I just bronzed. using my powder brush to pretty much blend everything together. And now I'm going to highlight my cheekbones underneath with that same brush using that same setting powder. Using my eyeshadow base by Upscale Face, I'm going to start applying that to my eyelid, and I'm going to pat that in with a blending brush. Going in with a dark cool brown, I'm going to start applying that to my outer corner of my eyelid. I think I'm going to make a separate video on explaining the brushes, the different brushes to applying eyeshadow, but this brush I'm using is a very good packing brush. It's very small and dense, so when you are using a dark shade, you want to make sure you use a small brush because it's very hard to blend out a dark shade. So you want to control it with a smaller packing brush. I believe the eyeshadow palette I'm using is Upscale Face 18 Days of Color Tonight. I'm going to go in with Sienna, which is like a burgundy, and I'm going to start blending out that dark brown, which is coffee. It's really up to you if you want to go from dark to light, from the dark crease color to the transition color, but I really go both ways. So now I'm going dark to light, but sometimes I will go light to dark depending on the look that I am trying to create. There is no rules to makeup. You already know what I was going to say, so you can do whichever method is comfortable for you. I'm going back in with coffee, which is the darkest brown, and I'm going to pack that color into the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm really starting to build that color up, so I'm going back in with Sienna, and I'm going to start packing that on top of the brown. Going in with the orange color inside that palette, I'm going to start making that my second transition color. So I'm going to place this directly underneath my brow bone and start slowly blending it out with a blending brush. Now using the crayon case, this gold I've been dying to use, and look at it, y'all. It is so freaking pigmented. Like, I cannot make this up. This is a gold glitter that's inside the color, the crayon case eyeshadow palette. I am in love, and I actually mixed it with a pink shimmer that's in there as well. Now I'm just going in with a soft powder brush to sweep all the powder away and any excess glitter that fell on my face. And I'm going to go in with my setting spray to set it. I'm going in with a liquid eyeliner to apply my wing. Now I'm just applying my lashes. I've already put the duo lash glue on them, so they're already pretty tacky. A lot of people ask how I put my lashes on so fast. It's really pretty much all in the glue that you use. I use the duo lash glue with the green writing on it, and I allow it to dry enough for me to fix it once I place my lash on. You can actually take the lash off and put it back and it will still be sticky. So that's why that's my go-to lashes, and that really helped me on applying my lashes quickly. Going in with my Milani's highlight, y'all, I would recommend this highlight on any skin tone. This is in the shade Italiana. It is super subtle and it is perfect for any beat. I'm going to place that in my inner corner as well. Now I'm going in with an eyeliner pencil. I believe this is by LA Girl, LA Pro Girl. This is their super black eyeliner pencil. I'm going to place that in my waterline. Now just going in with that dark brown, I believe coffee, and I'm going to go smoke that waterline out. This is my favorite part. I love smoking out waterlines because I think it dramatizes the eye, makes it more dramatic and sexy. Going in with that orange color, I'm going to start smoking that underneath the brown that I use, and then I'm going to go in with some mascara. For the lips, I'm using NYX eyeliner pencil. I'm not sure what color this is. I will definitely link it in the description box. And I'm just going to outline my lips. This is a matte lip from Rich Glamour Cosmetics that they sent me, and I'm going to apply that to my lips. This is a very nudish pink color. I love it. It's super dope. I should have left it like this, but of course I'm extra. I wanted more of an ombre, so I did go in with a lighter color in the middle. And this is the finished look. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, y'all. Hit the subscribe button. It's really helping me build my channel, so I really appreciate those who did subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, until the next time, y'all out. This is Oh Boy glitter that I'm applying to my face for my low light video. But yeah, until the next video, y'all. Peace.